puff pastry. And for those who did not subscribe yet, please click the subscribe button and also the bell button so you will be notified for any new videos. Once again, welcome, and I hope you like this video. And now our quote for today. And we know that God causes everything to work for good of those who love God and are called according to His purpose for them. Romans chapter 8 verse 28. We will be making raspberry cream puffs. In medium heat, we will mix in 1 cup of water into our pan, 1 whole unsalted butter, one half teaspoon of salt, we will just melt all together in a pan on a medium heat. Now that our butter is melted, we will turn up the heat and we will gradually add our 1 1/4 cup of unbleached flour. Okay. And we will put in on low heat. Okay, it's like we made a roux. Okay, we'll turn up the heat. Now we did let our mixture cool down for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then we put it in our mixer. And we will mix in our egg 1 by 1. So we need 4 eggs. Just stir on low. Okay, just mix it for like 1 to 2 minutes, and then if it's already well blended, we can turn off our mixer. Now that we see that it's soft and creamy in texture, we can remove it in the mixer. Now we can just scoop our dough, okay, using an ice cream scooper, and we'll put it in a molding pan. Note some I put 2 scoops just to balance it out. Now we're ready to bake our raspberry cream puffs. Okay, we will now put this in the oven. We set it up for 350 degrees and we'll bake this one for like 20 to 30 minutes. Now we will make our raspberry cream filling. Okay, on low heat, we will put our raspberry in the pan. And we will mix in 1/4 cup of sugar. We can squeeze or mash our raspberry. This is just to caramelize it for our filling. That we have our caramelized raspberry, we will let it cool and strain it so we can remove the seed. Now after 20 to 30 minutes, we will remove our puff pastry. Here is our puff pastry. We will let it cool for a few minutes. our raspberry filling, we will strain our raspberry puree. Okay, so we can remove the seed. And we just want the juice of it. Okay, now we will add 2 cups of heavy cream, and a drop of vanilla extract. Now we will mix our filling on high until it becomes like a whipped cream. As you can see, the consistency is like a whipped cream, so it means it's ready as our filling. Now we will add a filling raspberry flavor to our puff pastry. Now here is our raspberry cream filled puff pastry. We can dazzle it on top with powdered sugar. Now it's time to taste our raspberry filled puff pastry. It's delicious. Thank you for watching. Once again, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Take care and God bless. Bye.